Student, all of us have done table tag till yet. Table tag is not completed till yet. There are some more concept or more types of uh, programs are left, which we will continue little later. Let's start today with listing tag. We will do today listing, students. Okay, so generally there can be two types of listing which I am drawing here. You just check, then I will do according to the program. So suppose I am saying name of the animals. I am saying name of the animals. Okay, so I will do underline. This is the heading. Now what is listing? First you see. So I can make here 1 tiger, 2 elephant, okay, 3 lion, 4 bear. So this is one type of listing. This is listing now 1 2 3 4 serially it is coming. You as much as you want to continue, you can continue. Okay, this is in this kind of listing, the serial number will keep coming like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and in place of 1 2 3 4 you can make a b c d also, a b c d. Not only a b c d, you can make Roman letter also. How? Na I, double I, triple I, IV. Understood my point, students? So these kind of listings are known as order listing. What listing, students? Order listing. Order list. This kind of listings are known as order listing. So in order list, how many types of listing you can do? 3 types. One is 1 2 3 4. One is I, double I, triple I kind of, and one is ABCD. Understood? So there are 3 types. In ABCD you can do small ABCD also. Understood? So there are 3 types of order listing. One is 1 2 3, one double I like Roman letter, and one is alphabet, that is small letter and capital letter you can do. Understood the listing point? Now I am showing you this particular question or this particular diagram on program. So how it can be possible in case of program. So in program HTML body, all those you have to write. I am not doing those. So I will start doing from this animal till this bear point. Fine, students. So you have to start doing from where? Now OL. OL stands for order list, as we are learning order list now. Okay, order list. So order list is the tag name. Then there is a attribute in the name of type. So type is a attribute. So type attribute can specify the type here. So what you have to do the type? Suppose you want to keep 1 2 3 4, you have to write here 1. If you are doing I double I, then you have to write I. If you want to do ABCD, then you have to write here A. Understood now what is type? So finish it. Clear, students? Thereafter what you have to do? Now you have to start. This is done. So we have to start tiger. So for writing tiger, tiger has to be what? A we gave. So tiger has to be in A. So what we have to write here? Now just write LI. LI stands for list. LI stands for list. As HTML is not case sensitive, so write small, write capital, not a issue. LI. So LI is a part of OL tag. OL is the tag, type is the attribute, A is the value. In place of A, I can keep 1, I can keep 1 2 3. Understood? So only the beginning you need to specify, then automatically it will continue. So how? Now LI tiger. Then you have to do what? LI, what is next? Elephant, so you give your elephant. LI, this is I, students, don't get confused. Then what? Lion. Then LI, just LI, no need of ending LI. LI is a singular tag, so no need to end that. Okay, so then bear. So this is how as much as LI you wish you give. So when you want to complete your list, just finish with OL. Finish this much. Understood, students? So here what you can do, you can write A, or you can write I, Roman letter I, or you can write 1. So if you write 1, automatically this will become 1 2 3 4, automatic it will come. Fine. Here one thing we forget to do, students, that is animal. So if we want to give animal as the heading of this all, because these are the animals, na? So we want to give animal as the heading. So just before you have to give the heading tag. Suppose give H2. All of you know H2 already we learned. So list of animals you give, then you give end with H2. Finish. So before that you have to write the body HTML. Those things I'm not doing. So this is your program for order list, OL. Understood? OL has 3 types, remember. Same way, suppose I want to do unordered list. That there is one more, which is unordered list. On unordered list. In unordered list, what happened? Now the symbol used to come. So there are 3 types of symbol supported. One is circle, okay, and one is disk, and one is square. 3 symbols supported. So how the diagram will come then? Tiger. Before tiger, if you are using this symbol, so it will be like this. All will be like this. Understood, student? Okay. So this is how the listing will be. There won't be any number. So you can take this symbol, either this symbol or this symbol. So this is circle, disk, and square. Any of these out of these 3 symbol you can use any one. So how the program can be done? I am doing here. See, same way you can use what? H2 or H3, and you can give name of the what? Name of the animal, and you can end H2 because it has to be heading, na? And suppose you want to underline, as we underline here before after writing this heading, so you can use U symbol, U tag. Understood, students? That you can use also. U tag will underline. So thereafter what we have to do, OL, as we are writing for order list. If for unordered list you have to write UL. UL, again you have to give type. So in place of type, what you have to do, if square, then you write square. The spelling has to be correct, students. Remember, SQUARE, square. And you can give what else? Not disk, square, and what? Circle. There are 3 things you can give. 3 value you can give for type in case of UL. Remember, disk, DISC, square, and circle. Spelling you should remember very much properly, students. Then same way you have to do here LI, tiger. Then what? LI, lion, or elephant, whatever. Fine. LI, what? Elephant. Then LI, bear. Then as much as you wish to you give, then you end it with UL. Understood, students? So doing this particular diagram will get done. So this is all about listing tag. So listing, there are 3 types of listing tag. Remember, students, there are 3 types of listing tag. One is OL, that is order list. One is UL, that is unordered list. And one is DL, that is definition list. I will make one more video where I will teach you this DL. These 2 are related to each other. That's why I taught you together. Okay.